The nose. The schnoz. At all times can it be magnificent, ridiculous, big, tiny, funny looking, unique to each person. The nose is either one of the easiest parts of drawing a portrait, or the most difficult and cursed out by artists. Bayramov once told an interesting story about noses. His daughter Kea was feeling down, and he gave her this advice. Anytime you're in a bad mood, you should just sit on the stairs and watch people as they come up from the subway. Don't pay any attention to anything else except look at their noses. So they did. Together they sat on the subway stairs in a station in Moscow and did nothing but study the noses that ascended towards them. At first it seemed ridiculous, but then after concentrating so hard on these parts of peculiar human anatomy, the two were in hysterics. For an artist, the most difficult part of portraiture is trying to find the best way to capture a person's character. Bayramov reminds us that intense study doesn't always have to be serious. In fact, laughing at something silly might just make us understand things that much better.